You can learn, my dear. You can learn today.
Hello.
Hello.
Khushi, did you call me in the morning?
Oh yes, I call you. How are you, Simran?
Yeah, I'm fine. You're actually so sorry. I was sleeping at the time, so I unable to pick up your call.
Not an issue. What are you doing now?
So, friends, you can see what I am doing. You can see in my hand there is a phone, my dear. Today, the other two girls I have selected, Simran and Khushi. They are my students, and really they will teach you how to talk on the phone. Because sometimes what happens, there is a calling of English people. I fear I can't talk because I don't know how to talk in English. I know how to speak in English, how to talk in English in front of the person, but I don't know how to talk on the phone. So today you can learn, my dear. You can learn, my dear. You can learn today how to talk because they know very well how to speak. I know. आप चाहे तो इस वीडियो से बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं, बट आपको इस वीडियो के एंड तक रहना होगा। और इन दोनों गर्ल्स को बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश आती है। अगर आप एंड तक रुकेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। ये दोनों गर्ल्स आपको सिखाएंगे कि फोन पे बात कैसे करते हैं। इस तरह से आपको अगर फोन भी कान से लगाना नहीं आता है वो भी आप सीखेंगे। अगर आप फोन उठा भी नहीं पाते वो भी उठाना सीखेंगे। अगर आप फोन काट भी नहीं पाते तो फोन काटना भी सीखेंगे। सब कुछ सीखेंगे, बट वीडियो में बने रहना माय डियर, क्योंकि मैं डांस नहीं करूंगा, मैं चुटकुले नहीं सुनाऊंगा, मैं तो आपको इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगा। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
Hello.
Hello.
Khushi, did you call me in the morning?
Oh yes, I call you. How are you, Simran?
Yeah, I'm fine. You're actually so sorry. I was sleeping at the time, so I unable to pick up your call.
Not an issue. What are you doing now?
Yeah, actually, I'm just preparing coffee for me. What about you?
I'm relaxing at my home because it was my last exam today.
Oh,
So I'm
sounds good.
yeah.
So it
I'm
was your
just
last
relaxing.
exam. How it went?
It went very well. It was a piece of cake. The exam was really
Seriously?
very easy. Yes.
So by the way, what was your subject?
My subject today it is an additional subject, so it is a Gandhi's philosophy and education.
Seriously,
That's why,
in my first semester, I had the same option, but I didn't go with that because I find that personally, it is somewhere it sounded boring to me. So I went with,
somehow it is like there.
So why did you choose this? Like, it's so
No,
boring.
I didn't choose this because I haven't means I didn't have an option. That's why it is my compulsion to take this subject.
Okay.
Although it is a theoretical subject, but it's a good, I think.
Yeah, let
Not
it
that
be
much
now. By
boring.
the way, I'm hoping that you are free right now, right?
Yes, I am free
So
right
yeah,
now.
so even I was getting at home. I was getting bored at home. So we should go out for a movie or for
Simran,
a shopping.
same. I was thinking, it's been
Seriously,
a long
it's a
time to go
telepathy.
outside with you. So let's plan to go outside.
So like, where would you like to go? Movie
Actually,
and
I'm
shopping?
thinking, we should go on shopping because I would like means.
So what
I
will
want
you
to
buy for
purchase-
me?
Yeah,
If
I
we
want
will
to
go for
buy
shopping, so
some
what will you buy for me?
for you?
Yeah.
Whatever do you want to?
Okay. So by the way,
Purchase.
what would you want to shop, and also where would you like to go? Like there are so many markets like Kamla Nagar, Sarojini, Lajpat Nagar, and there are so many markets and mall as well. So where do you want to go?
I think we should go on like Zudio. We can go on
Zudio.
Yes.
Yeah, last time I purchased from Zudio, but my experience was not so good, so I don't think so we should go. Somewhere it
So
is
where do you want
overhyped,
to
I
go?
would
Means,
say.
what is your opinion?
My
Where we should
favorite is
go?
Sarojini Nagar.
Sarojini
I
Nagar.
always
Yeah,
go there.
it is fine. We can go.
Yeah,
Sarojini.
but just tell me what would you want to purchase, like Western clothes
Actually,
or kurtis and all.
Actually, what my cousin's wedding is about to come, so I think that I should start
So okay,
doing
so will you
shopping.
invite me there?
Of course not. Definitely, I will invite you.
Yeah.
You are my good friend.
But
that's
I
why.
would, I don't come.
So I want to invite you. Why would I waste my invitation card?
Seriously, so rude you are. I
I'm
know
just
you are
joking.
kidding. Let it
Yeah,
be.
I know,
So
let
by
it
the way, I'm just asking ki I should go your home because I haven't come your home. You were inviting me.
Yes,
So
yes.
I'm
you
thinking
can,
that now tomorrow I'm free, so I should come your home.
yes, you can come.
So
Most
can I?
welcome. Yes, of
Okay.
course, you can come.
So by the way, I don't know where is your home, so you have to come and pick me up.
Yeah, I can pick you up. From where? Like from
In Madangir. In Madangir.
In Madangir.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can pick you up. And may I know that I forgot to ask about your family. How are they?
They are doing good, and I'm, to be very honest, I'm getting bored at home. They always teach me how to cook food. Seriously, and they teach me how to move the floor, how to
Same
broom the house.
situation. Similar
So right
same
now I'm so
situation I'm facing
frustrated.
right now because that in my home also my parents also say me that you should learn how to do
Yeah,
cooking
and I'm
all.
not getting
By the
time
way,
for
have
my
you done
studies.
your By the way, have you done your 4th year or is it yet to be?
No, I have almost done, but I am waiting for my degree. Like I am waiting
So what
for
is
my
your
result.
next plan like after graduation as you're means about
You know,
to done 4th
well,
year?
this question is very challenging to answer, so I want to
Yes, I
skip
can
it. So I will, tell you later.
Yeah, I can understand.
By the way, what's your
because
plan for the future?
for my future, like right now, as you know that I am pursuing 2nd year of BCom. So for future, I
So
would
do
like
you want
to
to
go.
be the CA?
No, I
So do you
don't
want to be
be
the
a.
CS? I
No,
mean,
I
company
have
secretary.
no, I have an interest, accounts and like finance.
So in
So
which
I would
thing?
like to go after
So are you,
graduation. I would like to go
so
in
are you
this.
interested in me?
What?
Nothing
Of
else.
course
Let it
not.
be. So yeah, you were saying what do you want to be?
I want to means I would like to go in account and finance field because I have interest in this field.
Finance, but
Yes.
personally, I believe that there is very challenging to find a finance job. To
No,
be
I
very
don't think
honest,
so
there are
because
so many friends.
mostly big four
You
companies
know,
they also hire like
yeah,
the
that's why I'm saying there
those
are so many friends
employees.
of mine. They are just they have done the their degree in finance, so right now they are just unemployed, nothing else.
No, I don't think so. It is not a fact. I think you are thinking a lot because reality is different. When you go in market,
So by
even
the
big
way,
four firms and mostly companies hire, finance. Those who have the from finance background, so they hire those employees. And I'm
like,
also
what's your backup plan?
backup plan is consultancy. Somehow, I'm also interested in like
I
company law, so
like
I would
also
like
like
to.
to consult people. I am very good advice. Not advice. I gave very good advice to people.
Yeah, definitely. So you should. I think you should go on like in the consultancy field if
Yeah,
you have interest.
and there are so many things I'm interested in, so I can't be everything.
Oh yes,
Right.
yes.
So
By
yeah,
the way, I think you were you doing a digital marketing?
I was
If I'm
doing
not
right now. I'm not doing. I'm thinking to do modeling.
okay. Yeah,
I'm
yes,
interested
you
in
can.
modeling, but my father is not allowing me.
Okay, so you can talk to your father after.
Yeah,
Means if they
definitely.
get, if
I will talk.
he would get convinced. Means if he
Yeah.
would convince,
It was my
he can
childhood
go.
dream that I wanted to be the actress and the model, but due to circumstances, so I chose not to be one. And I am thinking that I should be the IS officer.
Yeah, actually, it happens. That our dreams get
Yeah,
changes
because
time to time with the
I
time.
want to serve my country, so that's why I'm thinking that I should be the IS officer.
Okay,
And
let it be. Just we should change the
you
topic.
are not interested in the
No,
topic.
no, not just because
Seriously,
we
yaar,
all
you are
means
just
I don't want to talk
you are
about the
not
study
letting me
because
speak, Khushi. You're
no,
so
no,
rude.
my exams have finished. So now
So you
I
will
am.
do this. Your exam has finished. So you will do this.
So now I want to just relax. I don't want to do like conversation about the education and all these things.
Seriously,
By
yaar.
the way, how is Muffin?
My dog.
Yes.
Yeah, he irritates me every time.
Oh, I
Seriously,
am missing him.
you are missing him.
Yes.
Why?
He's very cute.
Yeah, he is cute. Actually, most of the people, and whenever I go with him for a walk, everyone, just, say to me that your dog is so cute. So, to be very honest, he's genuinely cute. By the way, do you want a dog, or but like you are a dog person or cat person?
I am actually I like both dog and cat both. Even I
Seriously.
yes. I have
But
that in my childhood. I like to means I like to play with dogs and cats both.
yeah, I used to hate the dogs and cats as well. But since Muffin came in my life, I just changed my perspective, and I like dogs. To be very honest, they are so
That's
cute,
yeah,
and to be
that's
very honest, they are better than humans because they care a lot, and without saying a single word, they express their feelings. Muffin, can't speak, of course. Dog can't speak, but we know how much he
yeah, it
loves to
sounds
me
good.
and my
It
family.
happens with us. Like whenever we keep any pets, so we get attached with them.
Yeah,
This is a reality.
and he is
of the,
also so attached with us. Whenever we go outside, he just make the so innocent face that even we don't want to go, without him. But it's a compulsion. We had to go. But I would say, by the way, Khushi, actually, I have to go somewhere. Bye bye.
Yes, bye bye. So guys, if you like our video, so just comment, share, and just subscribe our channel.
Thank you everyone for listening us.